Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Grow More Learning Solution. I am Rahul Sharma, your friend. I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. So here we are with a new video. Definitely we'll discuss about so many good points, and which is one of the most desirable skills that is called English today. Why English? Why English is so important? Why we all the time after English? Is English is too important in our life? Definitely. The answer is yes, definitely. The point is, whenever we think something, whenever we do something, whenever we try to do something different from others, so we need to realize ourselves. That is English that we are lacking behind. That is English that we are not in perfect into. That is English that we are not even moving forward about. So we'll definitely discuss about all over the topic. So we'll discuss about 3 topics here. Definitely one by one I'll tell you. So our first topic is burning desire. Definitely burning desire. Burning desire, I would say that first of all, you are going to do any of the things in your life, you should have that desire to do the things. You should have that think that yeah, I'm going to do these things in my life. And we need to apply these things in our life gradually. Once you try to do something in your life, definitely you get that. Maybe sooner or later, but that is all depend on. But the point is, you'll get it. So definitely we should have that burning desire which somehow can push us, which somehow can make us improve, which somehow enhance our limitations, which somehow we can do something better in our life. So I think everybody has their burning desire in their lives. So now we come on the second point of our video, which is called confidence. One of the simple words, we generally discuss about it. We generally listen from others. We generally say that yeah, you lost your confidence while making video. You lost that confidence while giving that interview. But we cannot even apply. We do not even apply in your life. We do not apply in your day-to-day life. Definitely, whenever you are going to learn any of the things in your life, it can be any language, it can be any technical software, it can be any kind of technical and software skills that you have to adopt that. You need to wear your confidence like your attire all the time. Whenever we go out, we all the time change our attire, we all the time change our dresses. So you need to stick that particular confidence in your life, in your body somewhere. Without confidence, you cannot even achieve a single thing in your life. That you have to be admit about it. It means if we'll talk about your past life as well, whatever you achieved, definitely you will be on any of the post now. You may be working in any of the company now. So you have given the interview for that. You have cracked that. You have already cracked that. It means you are getting that post now. So without confidence, you cannot even face any of the interview as well. So confidence plays a very vital role in your life. So you need to have that confidence all the time with you. That is our second point. So now we come on the third point of our video. That is called motivation. Motivation is required for everything. For English too. You are learning English, definitely you will be motivational. You have to get that motivation that you can learn something. You are learning something. You have that positivity that I'm learning something on day-to-day basis. I'm getting something. I'm improving myself. I'm enhancing myself. And definitely you learn. You start learning these things. Sometimes we learn from our positive mindsets as well. Sometimes our own mind not let us play a big role. That's the main point we have to understand. That is only the point I am here to share with you. So I think you liked our video. So please share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any kind of question and query, just write down in message section. I'll help each one of you whoever comes to me to learn something big, especially for the beginners. So thank you for having me. I hope that you all will be safe in your future as well.